Hello! Welcome to the GuideKnight YouTube channel. The best PC racing wheel is all about channeling your inner Lewis Hamilton or Dale Earnhardt Jr., not just spending cash on a wheel and pedal setup. With the best racing wheel strapped to your desk, you'll have that extra level of immersion in your favorite racing games, like Forza Motorsport or F1 22, opens a new tab. Whether it's that all-important force feedback feel or the responsiveness of the shift paddles, there's so much about a good steering wheel that a controller can't emulate. A racing wheel is one of the best PC gaming buys, opens a new tab, and I've tried out tons of racing wheels to get a handle on which ones that are worth your hard-earned cash. Racing wheels aren't cheap, the options are daunting. Hitting the digital road with a dozen or so wheels helped me narrow some of those down, so you can make the most of your racing cockpit. The best PC racing wheels come in a wide range of prices, from enthusiasts to amateur race car drivers, opens a new tab. But don't worry, I've chosen several affordable options to go with it, all of which deliver stellar force feedback and an all-around great driving experience, no matter your budget.
Number 3. Logitech G923 Trueforce.
We've extensively tested the Logitech G923 Trueforce racing wheel and found it to offer a desirable mixture of control, feedback, and response. For that reason, it is decently suited to most racing games out there. It's the racing wheel we recommend to rookie drivers and those looking for thrills and find themselves often hopping between different and varied sims. We've spent most of our time using the G923 with F1 2021 and F1 2019, and it works excellently with only a few tweaks to steering saturation and throttle linearity, 72/20, if you're wondering. Similarly, it's as simple as booting Assetto Corsa Competizione to switch to GT Series Racing, or any other driving game for that matter, even SnowRunner. The G923 relies on a gear-driven motor to feed the force feedback, which is enjoyable in use, but a little less powerful and accurate feeling than those belt-driven or direct-driven designs above.
Number 2. Thrustmaster T248 GT Edition.
The Thrustmaster T248 sat as our number one pick for the best racing wheel for a few years. It's a little older now, having originally been released in 2014, but it's still plenty deserving of consideration in 2022. The T248 has aged better than a lot of modern tech, with mods and support aplenty. Though with the arrival of the T248, we felt it hit a cheaper price point that would appeal to a wider audience than the standard T248. The T248 also comes with a far superior pedal set in the T3PM. That's why we've updated our recommendation to the T248 GT Edition, which has all the best bits of the T248 plus an improved 3-pedal set, T3PA, that makes it sing. You will have to drop a little more cash on the T248 GT Edition, but we felt the T3PA pedals make that leap more worthwhile. They're still not quite up to the T3PM set on the T248, but they're a much improved set than on the T248 as standard, which also lacks a clutch pedal.
Number 1. Thrustmaster T248.
The Thrustmaster T248 is a far more budget-friendly option than the Fanatec GTDD, but it doesn't let up where it counts. The force feedback it delivers is a lot more impressive than you might expect, and it's exceptionally accurate. Inside the T248, you'll find a hybrid force feedback system that utilizes a gear alongside a belt. That covers the downsides of the geared system, which has been known to feel clunky at times, but still has all the benefits of a belt system. Plus, that keeps it cheap. However, the T248's hybrid system has appeared to come at the expense of some of the finer touches. The build looks and feels cheap. Similarly, it's awfully loud, especially the shifter paddles. These are, however, incredibly responsive, like nothing I've used before. A worthy trade-off? So long as you don't need to keep the noise down too much.
You are new here, subscribe our channel and like the video.